A 2-week workshop on China's rural development experience and global sustainable development opened Tuesday in Xiamen City, East China's Fujian province. The event gathers 22 senior government officials from 16 countries, including Brazil, South Africa, and Kyrgyzstan.
I attended the seminar to get and gain more experience on the rural development. As we know, the Chinese is advanced in the rural development. The seminar is very important for sustainable development goals. The main takeaways here is the rural development goals and sustainable development goals, as well as the collaboration with the stakeholders and experts on this area, which can develop it in our countries.
This seminar that is being held in October here in Xiamen is really important for other countries to have this experience in relation to the global sustainable development. For instance, I'm from Brazil. The trade between Brazil and China is achieving a new pillar. So having this experience in Chinese rural development is a way to exchange experience between us and learn more about the principles that China has been successfully implementing in order for us to build a community with a common shared future.